Hi guys, today we are going to use a formula to find items which are in this column of products, and also they exist in this column of approved list, but they don't appear on this column of processed list. The reason is, so these items have already been processed, so they are out of the stock. They are not in the stock. So we have these products, the apple, banana, mango, orange, down up to lemon, and we have these which have been approved. So we want to use a function that is going to take items which are in this column A and also exist in the column D, but don't exist in the column A. Guys, this is a very important function that can be used in many things. Kindly follow. So we are going to filter. We write first equal and write filter. But let me go again to this column H. Right, filter. Guys, I want to return this table. I want to return this table where those items will fulfill the predetermined condition. I remove this 2 to have the whole range selected. Filter this table A2 up to C, then it goes down. Then we want match is the number. You write is the number match because so this A2, this column A, that's why I wrote A2 then A. Must match the items, must match with the items in approved list. I put a comma, I write the approved list, which is this D. Then it is again from this D2 up to D to mean to select the column D. At this point, then I put comma 0. This is to mean they must only items which matches. I close this and then the second, because I opened it here and here. Then I put another condition where these items in column A don't exist here. So this formula will satisfy the both condition, then it will return the items. And then I write, you put this where you want to say, and then you write match again. Then we set a condition where items in column A do not match. That's why we wrote this ISN here, A here, do not match, don't exist in E, in this column A here. So this is the function. What it is saying, it is like return the rows in this table A up to C, where this is on this part, the items on column A are also found in column D of this approved list, but here the items in column A here do not found in column A. Then you close and then you press enter. Boom. So you can see, guys, here it is returning what I said. You can see this avocado and this apple also exist here. This is apple and this is avocado, but they don't exist here. So guys, I can highlight this formula. When you take a look at it, it may seem to be a little bit complex or advanced, but if you go into the details and the judgment behind the reasons, it becomes very simple and super simple understandable. So thank you guys. This is a very useful function in data analysis, depending on your field, being in the supply chain, being in when you are HR, you want to manipulate things, or when you are working in the procurement, so, or you are managing the inventory of items or products. So this is a very helpful function. So if you like the video, kindly hit the subscribe button so that you can get the notification of the future videos. Thank you very much. Remember to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Bye.